Up and down the east coast of the United States, especially in this area, we have had reports all night of a meteor sighting. Now, many of you have contacted us by email, Facebook, and Twitter, telling us what you saw, and there was great consistency in your descriptions. Well, let's go to meteorologist Cecily Tynan at the Action News Big Board. Cecily?
And Jim, it wasn't a bird, it wasn't a plane, it was a meteor, and I know my Facebook page was lighting up, excuse the pun, with reports of this, and we do have some surveillance video. This is from WUSA. It's surveillance video from Maryland, and you can see a very vibrant, very large meteor streaking across the sky, and this isn't the only appearance of it. We also have this still shot. This is from Massachusetts. You can see the meteor much higher up in the sky from West Brookfield, Massachusetts. And the American Meteor Society received literally hundreds of reports initially of the meteor spotted all the way from Canada down through Virginia, and the bulk of them right in the mid-Atlantic. Now, what this was, it was a fireball, which is a larger than usual meteor. Most meteors are the size, believe it or not, of pebbles. This was about the size of a softball, and when it's that big, it can light up the sky like the moon. A blue or green meteor with a long tail. It's about 5 to 50 miles visible above Earth, but it's moving more than 600 miles per hour, faster than a speeding bullet, so that's why it really brightens up the sky. 99.99% of them disintegrate before they hit the ground, so probably won't find a big hole in the ground. I'll talk about something else falling from the sky next week, though. Rain and snow coming up in the